Here's how you search for specific words within a note on iPhone and iPad. The search feature in Notes is a little hard to find. It's not down here with the buttons you probably use the most, and it's also not available here in the editing options. To search inside your note, you have to click the three dots in the upper right corner and choose Find in Note. That opens a search field where you can type in words and cycle through the results inside your note. So that's how you search within a note on iOS. We're all about quick answers to the frustrating issues you're having like this one, so do yourself a favor and subscribe to our channel. That's a free resource for quality tutorials that don't waste your time. Thanks for watching. Happy searching.